One Tectona Hotel officially welcomed the Christmas season with its annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony on Monday, December 2, 2024, celebrating the spirit of the joyous season with faith, hope, and love. Adorned with spectacular lights, hand-painted ornaments, and a vibrant display of safari animals, the hotel's unique Christmas tree brought the magic of nature to life.
For the stunning Christmas tree that we are about to light, which is an extraordinary symbol of the season's joy and warmth. This year's theme, Christmas at the Woodlands, brings the beauty of nature to life with enchanting animal decors and sparkling lights. Christmas is a time of faith, hope, and above all, love for me. A love that inspires us to excel in our craft and deliver exceptional experiences to our guests. This tree lighting symbolizes the light and the joy we strive to share with everyone who walks through our doors. Let this season renew our dedication to service and inspire us more to spread the light and love to all.
Alongside the safari-themed Christmas tree, a life-sized Belen stood proudly, symbolizing the true meaning of Christmas and reflecting One Tectona Hotel's remarkable growth in the hospitality industry.
We are here, just like as you have seen the nativity and the star, just like Jesus who was born in Bethlehem, a small star lighted the entire world. O kita sa diri sa One Tectona, bisan kung niata sa layo, we are here to light the world, not just the community, but the world. We, the family of the Mantuhak and Barino family of the Durus Group, are so blessed to have you with us tonight and to help us tell the world of this beautiful amenities, of this beautiful place that we are creating, that God has allowed us to create. Very soon, you will learn how this place will be transformed into a world-class resort
destination.
As the tree sparkled, fireworks filled the sky with brilliant colors and guests were treated to heartwarming performances by the Babag National High School Rondalla and Don Bosco Boys Home Liloan. To add to the festivities, Durosland Properties, One Tectona Hotel's parent company, revealed exciting plans for the future during a media fellowship held earlier that day. A blessing ceremony marked the opening of the executive boardroom and lounge, a new space designed for enjoying wine, whiskey, pizza, and steak. This venue, distinct from their buffet offerings, also caters to intimate gatherings and private functions, set to welcome the public on December 9, 2024. Meanwhile, Nueve Spa and Wellness services will officially open in January 2025, promising a relaxing and memorable experience for guests. This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.